The Software Portfolio Overview Report provides an executive-level view of software across the IT landscape, highlighting technology risks through installation trends and software lifecycle status, categorized by category, subcategory, manufacturer, and business service, to inform investment decisions and mitigate risk. Let's review some of the key use cases for optimizing your software portfolio. First one is just general availability. Ensuring that all deployed software is officially supported and regularly updated is essential for maintaining operational stability and security. Keeping your systems up to date is the foundation of reliable, secure operations. Our second use case is end of life and end of support tracking. Tracking software as it approaches end of life or end of support allows IT teams to proactively plan for updates, replacement, or decommissioning. This foresight helps mitigate security vulnerabilities and operational disruptions. Let's review some of the verified outcomes you can expect from these use cases. Our first one is cost savings, eliminating unnecessary spending on outdated or redundant software. Our second one is reduce risk, better manage end of life and end of support software to minimize security and compliance risk. Our third use case is improve efficiencies, streamline updates, and reduce downtime. Let's take a quick look in Flexera 1 at the Software Portfolio Report. I'm going to go to IT Visibility under Technology Intelligence Reports. I'm going to select Software. Under there, I'm going to Software Portfolio Overview, and I'm going to select Go to Report. The report starts on the Software Summary tab, where you can see the various visualizations for the report. Let's look at this first one. You can customize axis, allows choosing X and Y axis. For example, install by category. You might want to change that to subcategory. Next visualization is the installation currency. Highlights installs grouped by lifecycle stages, for example, end of life, obsolete, and more, as you can see these below. Obsolete installs by manufacturer identifies manufacturers with the most obsolete software installations. Software currency risk by software category identifies software categories with the highest currency risk. And last visualization on this page is Domain Statistics. Presents a breakdown of software statistics by domain. Let's move to the Software Lifecycle Summary tab. Software installation currency tracks lifecycle stages across software installations. Obsolete software reasons explains reasons for unknown lifecycle statuses. Lifecycle currency by installation monitors currency risk for software installations over time. This last one is a high-level lifecycle stat, summarizes technology currency risk by software category. Let's navigate to the Software Statistics tab. The Software Statistics tab is a customizable aggregate, provides a flexible page where you can choose fields and measures to view high-level aggregated data. Let's take a look at the Software Trends tab. You can see lifecycle trends, track lifecycle trends over 7 days, weekly, or monthly for obsolete and end-of-life software. And last, let's look at the Organizational Statistics tab. Here, you'll see business services and units, which map software lifecycle data to business services and units. Cost center Analysis provides lifecycle statistics by call center for budgetary insight. Location visualize software lifecycle statuses geographically for regional insights.